I think that's, oh my word, I think that might have been the turn-off, Grootfontein. So I think we just went past the turn-off to Mururani. I didn't even see. But Grootfontein, what did that say? 120, eh? 130. From here, 70 k's plus 50. Yeah, 70 plus 60, or 130 that might have said, or 120. To Grootfontein. I think that was the Mururani turnoff. So I've been bumping the saddle. I'm guessing, because I have a blessed clock on my dashboard, I'm guessing it's I was left at what, 20 past 6, I guess. 138. So that's probably an hour and a half-ish. So it's probably 7:45. It still feels like the morning. It's still cold, cool. I'm not even feeling warm, you know, a breath of warm or anything. It's still a cool nip in the air. So geez, I might even get the Grootfontein and it hasn't even warmed up yet. That's the difference, you know, good road, 120, I caught myself at 130 just now, almost at 130, like what? Yeah, so this is just another good exercise in speed, time, distance. No particular sign of where we are. See you later.